Today, I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit more advanced side of stuff, but I'm pretty much going to show you guys how to set up channel points like this.
3, 2, 1, go!
Pretty cool, right? I'm going to show you how to do this today, guys. Let's go. So maybe you're looking for something to just kind of spice your channel up, make it more interactive for your viewers or whatever you want to do. Maybe you're a big channel and you just want to add some funny memes because who doesn't like memes? But what I'm going to try and show you guys today is a way that you can use a program called MixitUp and add videos and other memes and other type of things to your channel using this program. So I'm going to try and show you a clean install of it, and we're going to walk through it together. So the first thing you're going to want to do, guys, is you want to go ahead over to Google, and we're going to type into the search bar MixitUp. Woo! Just like that. And it'll be the first one that pops up. It's the MixitUp app. You'll get all this right here. Top right corner, download. Go ahead. It'll send you down to what you need to do. You can either download the zip version if you have WinRAR or like 7-zip or something like that. Or you can just download the installer straight. I have 7-zip, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And then you want to look for the newest release and MixitUp zip. Click that, download it. It'll download it in the left. As soon as it's done, you're going to go ahead and pull it up and drag this. Okay, anyway, so here's all your assets and all your stuff or whatever. Just make sure you extract the whole entire thing to wherever you want to put it and go to the MixitUp app program. So MixitUp. All right, I already have it installed, so I don't think it's going to work the same for me, but the installer should be the same for anybody. So just double click on it and it should set you guys up to install. Do everything that you need to do. But I'm not actually going to install it or anything because I actually have it installed. So here's the next part. So this is what it's going to look like as like a clean slate. Like you just downloaded it. It's fresh. You're going to synchronize it to your Twitch. After you get that done and enable it, then all you have to do is go down to any of these commands, which this is a really great app. Just want to throw that out there. It does 1,000 different things besides what I'm showing today, but let's focus on the channel points. Anyway, it's right here. It says channel points. And of course yours is going to be blank, but mine has, quite a few that I've set up or whatever over the time. And so yeah, this is where you control your channel points, and you can add new commands, create new channel point reward, channel points editor, all that stuff. Okay, so the next thing you guys want to do is you're going to head on over to your creator dashboard on twitch.tv. Note, this is only for affiliates though. If you are not affiliated or partnered yet, then you do not have the channel point redeems yet, and I'm sorry. Just wanted to get that out the way. Anyway, so in your menu, in your creator dashboard, you have channel points right here, and you have manage rewards and challenges. Go ahead and click on it. And as you can see, there's a bunch of them. I have also sound alerts and all that, whatever stuff you want to call it. But anyway, so what you want to do is add a new custom reward. And we're going to name it whatever we want to call it in MixitUp. And it has to be the same. So let's say Thanos Dance. This is for all my Marvel fans out there. Thanos twerks something. Okay, let's make it 200 points. And we're not going to worry about the images for now, just for the sake of the video. I just wanted to show you, and then you hit create. So now you actually have this in your channel point redeems. So next we're going to head back over to MixitUp, open up the channel points like I showed you earlier, and at the very bottom of it, it's going to say add command to existing reward. Go ahead and click on it. And then up here, it might find it for you, and if it doesn't, then you're going to have to type it in. But in my case, it did find it for me. And then next thing you're going to do is go down to the bottom, and you're going to click action, and then you go into overlay and images and videos right here. This is the one you want because that's what you're going to add to your OBS at the end of the day. Go ahead and do that, and then hit add. And then this is going to come up. And here's your action in the top left. This is what you can either make it a YouTube video, you can copy and paste a YouTube to it and have it as a channel point, a video, an image, or you can just literally have text pop up if you want. It's all up to you. There's a million different things you can do, but I'm just going to show you video for today. So we're going to go ahead and click video, and then on your video file path, hit browse, find where you put the your actual video that you want as your channel point redeem. In my case, it was in download, so there it is, Thanos dancing. And then you can adjust the volume as you want. You can move it around the screen with these arrows, like you can put it in the top left or the top right or wherever you would want it. I'm going to keep it centered for now. And the best way to do this is to know how long the video is itself. So in my case, the dancing video I got of Thanos off my video source is 11 seconds. So go ahead and make it 11 seconds. You can make it bounce in, fade out, fade left, fade right. So we'll make it bounce in, and then we'll make it bounce out. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and hit play and make sure that it pops up in your overlay that we set up earlier. Voila. Here's Thanos for the Marvel world dancing on your screen as a channel point redeemed during your stream. Magnifique. I popped on over to my Twitch chat too, just to show you guys that it's working and running, and all the channel point redeems can run just straight from this, as long as you have it set up and you have MixitUp active before you start streaming. So here's the new Thanos dance we just made, and this is straight from my chat as soon as I hit redeem. Voila. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that, so that way you knew about it and it works. So that pretty much wraps up the video, guys. We're going to go ahead and give a close out. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I hope this video taught you everything you needed to know about MixitUp to add videos to channel point redeems. If this video helped you at all, I would really appreciate a like, maybe even a subscribe. Hit that notification bell for the next time that I go live. I would really appreciate it. Also, I do stream on Twitch every now and again. I feel like at least once a week I do. So if you feel like it, you can go ahead and follow me at itskagekame on Twitch, and I will catch you there. And if you guys have any comments at all, please feel free to leave it in the comments below, and I will answer any questions and help you guys as much as I can to get your channel looking just as good as this did. Thank you guys. Hope you have a great day.